I love doing crafts, but I can't always make it to the craft store to get supplies. If that sounds like you, then you are in luck. I'm going to teach you how to make some easy 3D digital art using only your iPad and the app Procreate. Here are some examples of the amazing 3D digital art that you'll be able to make. Hey there, my name's Lori Russell. I'm a graphic designer, digital artist, and basically lover of all things creative. I am so excited to share this class with you. Paper is one of my favorite art mediums, and finding a way to translate that into a digital format is really satisfying. I've done everything from scrapbooking, making 3D paper boxes and gift tags, to on-edge paper quilling, and actual layered paper cutouts and light boxes. I love how the color, texture, and thickness of the paper can totally change the look of your art, and we're going to be exploring that in this class. As a graphic designer, I also know the importance of choosing the right typeface or font. Each one conveys a different emotion or feeling, and I am thrilled to be able to combine my love for typography and paper art in this digital style in Procreate. In this class, you're going to learn the basic techniques for creating 3D papercut art in Procreate. You should have a basic working knowledge of your iPad and the Procreate app, but I'll be walking you through every step along the way as we create this design together. If you want to recreate this sample design with me, I've provided a stamp brush as well as a bunch of different paper texture brushes. You'll also get the color palette that I'm using and some fun holiday colors as well. After you've completed the main part of this course, you'll be able to take what you've learned to create your own digital typography papercut artwork to share via email, social, or as a digital card. The bonus section features additional tips and tricks to help you take your designs to the next level, as well as a guide on how to bring your designs into Canva to create printed cards for any occasion. These designs are so unique and fun. I cannot wait to see what you create.